कॅन्सराचें प्रमाण संवसारभर वाडत आसा. गोंय लेगीत ताका अपवाद ना. आमी कॅन्सर एपिडेमीक स्टेजीक पावल्यात अशें मत दोतोरांनी उक्तायलां.
अर्बनायझेशनाच्या काळात बदलती लायफस्टायल तशेंच डायट आणि व्यायामाचो उणाव वेगवेगळ्या कॅन्सराच्या दुयेंसां खातीर आमंत्रण थारला अशें मत पद्मश्री दोतोर राजेंद्र बडवे हांणी व्यक्त केलां. कुडीच्या वजनात जावपी वाडीक लागून 19 तरेची कॅन्सराची दुयेंसां जावंक शकता अशी माहिती तांणी ह्या वेळार दिल्या.
I do understand that there is a lot more cancer these days. If I were to speak 20 years ago, there would be maybe somebody who had cancer, but today there is somebody in the family who has cancer. And no family is an exception. That's the price that we pay for urbanization. And urbanization is inevitable. When I look at the numbers from across India, rural India has numbers which are about 40 to 45 per 1 lakh population per year. That number rises to about 65 when it comes to semi-urban and rises to about 100 when it comes to metropolitan India and rises to about 350 when we go to United States. All of us are marching towards it. Fortunately, in Goa, we have what we call Subatta. So there is no rural pocket in Goa. There is semi-urban and urban pocket in Goa. So the numbers are 70 in semi-urban and 100 in urban. So in Panjim, you will have 100 per 100,000, and in rest of Goa, you might have up to 60, 70. So these numbers are higher here. And no other state has this kind of activity wherein urbanization has percolated down to bring us solace in our households. But we pay a price for that, and that price is cancer. And one of the prevention that everybody sees, the price that we pay, I said about urbanization, is obesity. So obesity is something which needs to be controlled. Obesity is related to 19 different cancers, and we need to control that. That will be dealt with separately, but I will recite what I used to be made to recite at bedtime. At 10, आईचं बोट सोडायचं. 20व्या वर्षी खेळण्याशी खेळणं बंद करायचं. 30व्या वर्षी इकडे तिकडे बघणं बंद करायचं. 40व्या वर्षी संध्याकाळचं जेवण बंद करायचं. 50व्या वर्षी बाहेरचं खाणं बंद करायचं. हे गोव्यात फार कठीण आहे. इतकी सुंदर सुंदर खायला जागा आहेत की ते कठीण होऊन जाईल. 60व्या वर्षी नवीन काही चालू नाही करायचं, आहे तेच कंटिन्यू करायचं. 70व्या वर्षी आंबट गोष्टी खाणं कमी करायचं. 80व्या वर्षी हार्ड बेडवर झोपायचं. 90व्या वर्षी आयुष्याची आसक्ती सोडायची आणि 100व्या वर्षी आयुष्य संपवायचं. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
फुडल्या 2 दशकात कॅन्सराचे दुयेंस हिसपा भायर वाडपाची शक्यताय आसा. ताका लागून स्वताच्या भलायकेची काळजी घेवन सादूर रावप म्हत्वाचें अशें मत दोतोर शैलेश श्रीखंडे हांणी व्यक्त केलां.
On this background, what one wants in a modern day India is to have a civil and an advanced society which perhaps has the foundations on 5 pillars: a good judiciary, good law, engineering development, medical development, and of course art. On this background, when we hear all the statistics of the previous speakers, we realize that we are on the cusp of facing a cancer epidemic. We are perhaps in the midst of it, and whether we like it or not, for the next 2 decades, if not more, we are going to see an exponential rise in the incidence of cancer. In a modern society, it's a pity that a lot of people have to travel long distances to get the basic of cancer care and specialist care.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक TV.